Hi, my name is Peter Swarovski. I'm the Director of Operations here at ITS. I just wanted to take a few minutes in this video to talk about a very real threat present to companies of all sizes. The name of that threat is called ransomware. What is ransomware? Ransomware is a classification of malware or bad software that the end goal is to request a ransom for the damage that they've done. Anything that's on a computer, they can encrypt it, make it useless, take your business operations down, and then notify you, request payment in order to get you back up and running. So that's what ransomware is requesting ransom for bad things that they've done. So let's talk about the points of a ransomware attack. So the first point is to get access to your network. So they're going to send usually an email. Maybe they take you to a website or to a file. From there, they're able to get access to that one computer. Human comes in, looks around, spreads to the rest of your network to see what's going on. Where's your important data? Where are your backups? Things like that. Then they decide when they're going to attack. They pick nighttime, they pick holidays, they pick times where less people are looking. Then they carry out their attack. They're going to delete your backups if they find them and can get to them. They're going to encrypt all of your important business data so it becomes unusable. Data was there, it was ABC123. They applied this encryption algorithm, they garble it up, and now it doesn't say ABC123. The only way to get it back to the original data, ABC123, is with the decryption key. And in some cases, they'll also take that good data and exfiltrate it or send it out of your network, send a copy of it to them, because now they're going to use that as an extortion against you. You may have some sensitive data in there, maybe some trade secrets, maybe confidential lawsuit or something that you wouldn't want people knowing about, or your customers. And they'll use that information against you to make sure that you pay for that ransom. And then lastly, they're going to notify you. They're going to drop notes to say, here's a way to contact us, to start talking about negotiations. They're now going to request, in some cases, a custom ransom for you. They've looked at your industry, they've understood what company you are because they have access to your data, how much money you have in the bank. And they can say, hey, I know you have X amount of dollars in the bank and you can afford this, so don't try to tell us you don't. Or I know you have cybersecurity insurance and your insurance company can pay for this. So now they're getting much bigger paydays, unfortunately. So that's what a ransomware attack looks like. So the first step is to get access to your network. Then they decide when they're going to attack. They pick times where less people are looking. Then they carry out their attack. They're going to delete your backups. They're going to encrypt all of your important business data. And then lastly, they're going to notify you. They're going to drop notes to say, here's a way to contact us, to start talking about negotiations. So you really need to have a good IT company and good security measures to help minimize that risk for you and your business. So please talk to your account manager and make sure that we have everything in place to do the best we can to minimize that risk for you. Thank you.